Hi, hello. We're Nargiz and Monika from Safe from Harm team. In this video, we're recommending 10 easy actions to improve safe from harm in your organization. If you have not implemented them yet, listen carefully.
1. Translate bold safe from harm policies to help you create your organization's policy.
2. Create guidelines for adults to make sure it's clear for them what to do in case of any abuse.
3. Create e-learning for adults on safe from harm that summarizes the guidelines and regulations to check the knowledge of your adults. This as well helps you to make sure that everyone has the same level of knowledge on safe from harm.
4. Do a background check for adults before admitting them into the movement. It can correspond with your country's regulations. It can start with recommendations from the other leader or from NGO up to criminal check record.
5. Embed adjusted safe from harm knowledge into use program. Safe from harm is not only about procedures. Very crucial in this area are awareness and positive actions among the youth advocating for protecting each other.
6. Make clear steps how to behave in case of any safe from harm rules violations so that everyone in your association and those cooperating know how to report an abuse and where to look for help if needed.
7. Appoint listening ears on every level of the station and on every event. At the beginning, it doesn't have to be fully professional. Just make sure that your scouts and leaders have someone to listen to.
8. Promote safe from harm. Values, tools, processes. The more we talk about it, the more we raise awareness, the more we create a safe environment.
9. Remember about simple rules. 2 deep leadership, so having always 2 leaders among youth. No one-on-one contact meeting. No adult should be alone with a young person. Buddy system, creating pair of friends among your scouts to support each other and look after each other, for example, during hikes. Listening ears, so someone that will always listen to you and your scouts' concerns. Safeguard, explaining in a quick and easy way what are the steps in case of a danger. And wearing scarves for recognition on every event to make sure that no one from outside will join your scouts.
10. Apply the safe from harm rules for online meetings. Don't forget that even if we do not meet physically, through online tools, harm can be addressed as well. So make sure that you applied safety rules also for the online events, like do not allow strangers to your meetings, make sure your scouts do not share any content with non-familiar people, check on your scouts, do not bullying online, and others.
Sometimes it just requires easy steps and awareness to increase the safety for young people. Check out more specific good practices in next videos. And if you have one that other NSO, NSAs could use, contact us at safefromharm@scout.org.